always be. Make me a servant, make me a servant, make me a servant today. Make me a servant, humble and meek. Lord, let me lift up those who are weak, and may the prayer of my heart always be. Make me a servant, make me a servant, make me a servant today.
Eternal God, Creator of all, we adore and praise you. Give us your wisdom that we may study well. Obey our teachers and parents and be honest in our behavior. Keep us in your loving care and help us to love and serve our brothers and sisters. Teach us to be good always and do good to others and become faithful citizens of our motherland.
Respected parents and my dear loving children, once there was a very rich man. He had a very big bungalow and front yard with a beautiful garden with lot of plants and flowers. One day, while he was in the house, he could hear some noise of breaking some pots. Immediately he came out. Then he saw one man walking in his beautiful garden, and he is threshing the plants and breaking the flowers with his hands, and he is simply recklessly moving about. So the man got very angry. He rushed out of the house and he came to him and gave him one slap from the back, and that man fell down on the garden. Then he asked his servant to pick him up and throw him out of the gate. Then the servant came and picked him up, and the servant found that this man was a blind man. Unfortunately, by mistake, he lost his way and he lost his stick. The gate was little opened, so he happened to come into this campus of his rich man's bungalow, and then he entered this garden. He was so afraid, he did not know where to go, how to go. He lost the direction. So whatever he got in his hand, he caught hold of it, and some of the plants were very fragile and they broke, flowers broke, and the pots fell down and broke, and that is what exactly happened. So immediately the servant went to the owner, the rich man, and said, "Sir, sorry, that man is blind." Oh, immediately that man got up and felt so sorry, and he came out and asked pardon to the blind man, and he asked his servant to lead him patiently, properly to his destination, and gave him some money also into his pockets. My dear parents and little children, this is what generally happens in our lives. We get angry, we get provoked, we become reactive at times when situations arise, things which are not of our preference and our liking. But it is not that many of the people around us are consciously doing things against us. They do not know what they are doing it. There is an inner blindness. They lack the inner light. Therefore, the consciousness, self-awareness and circumstantial awareness, social awareness they lack. Therefore, they do deeds which become misdeeds for the people in their surrounding. And we people, educated people, reliable people, I mean self-reliable people with money, house and all the facilities available, we need to be little aware, especially during this pandemic period. Even in our own home, few were sick, affected by the pandemic and now recovered, but they still live under stress, tension, lot of mental tension is there. Out of this, that stress and strain, their behavior, their talking, their responses may not be the way that we like. It comes because of lack of awareness, lack of pain within us, lack of inefficiency within us to be self-controlled. Therefore, my dear children and respected parents, let us be little more conscious of the people in our surrounding and also our surrounding situation, which is gripped by the stressful pandemic and the sufferings that it has cast upon humanity, our neighborhood, in our own family. I wish, with our awareness of the blindness of the people around us, the inner blindness, that we may be able to show the light within us and shine ourselves to be the light and guide for those people who are in a helpless situation. Thank you. God bless one and all.